Hello YouTube, today we will be making the origami pelican. So, let's get started. Take your piece of paper and fold it in half. You're gonna want to make a square. So you're gonna fold it like this. Just like this. Alright. And take your scissors and cut out the extra piece. You won't need it. Okay, I'll just trim this. Alright, just like this. Here. Then open it up, just like this. Then fold it to about here in the middle of the line. Just do so with the other flap. Just like this. Then take this part again and fold it over here on the line again. Another flap, do the same thing. Just like this. Then turn it over on the other side. Fold this part over to the top. Like this. Then lay it. You can fold this part. This. Like that. Lay it down like this. Rotate the model so it's like lying down. Just like this. So it's going to be like this, so it's going to be like this. Then, this part, open it up. And about this much. Yeah, this will be enough. This part, see? Fold it like this. It'll be like this. Just like this. And this part, take it and like make a little fold, just like this. And the other side too. This. And here you have it. This is how to make a pelican. Looks like it. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe, share, and like. Check out my other videos.